ഹായ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അക്കൗണ്ടൻറ്റുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയറിൽ ചോദിച്ച കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് പോവാം. ഇൻകം ആൻഡ് എക്സ്പെൻഡിച്ചർ അക്കൗണ്ട് ഈസ് എ റിയൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്, നോമിനൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്, പേഴ്സണൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്, ഇംപേഴ്സണൽ അക്കൗണ്ട്. Nominal account. The total of all indirect costs is known as fixed cost, prime cost, overhead, sunk cost. Overheads. Then name the method of costing used to determine the cost of non-standard job carried out according to customer specification. Job costing, batch costing, contract costing, target costing. Job costing. An audit conducted to examine every aspect of a business is called detailed audit, complete audit, partial audit, management audit. Management audit. Waving band is a dash type of communication: oral communication, written communication, non-verbal communication, none of these. Non-verbal communication. Unrecorded liability paid at the time of the dissolution is to be debited to capital account of partners, realization account, current account of partners, insolvency account. Realization account. In the absence of any partnership agreement, profit and losses are shared by partners in the ratio of their capitals, equally in the ratio of their loans to the partnership firm, in their profit sharing ratio. Equally. A cash flow statement should report cash flows during the period classified as financing activities, operating activities, investing activities, operating, investing and financing activities. Operating, investing and financing activities. Sweat equity means equity shares issued at a discount, issued at a premium, issued to directors for consideration other than cash, having high NAV. Issued to directors for consideration other than cash. The Sale of Goods Act came into force in the year 1934, 1956, 1872. None of these. None of these. When an auditor is appointed to check each and every transaction, total, balance, etc. with the help of vouchers, it is said to be complete audit, partial audit, detailed audit, none of these. Complete audit. Kite bills means trade bills, documents attached bills, accommodation bills, documents purchased bill. Accommodation bills. An examination of account records etc. of a business concern with some special purpose in a view is known as vouching, verification, investigation, none of these. Investigation. Expenses on sports meet should be charged to income and expenditure account, taken to balance sheet on the asset side, taken to balance sheet on the liability side, charged to sports fund. Charged to sports fund. Minimum number of persons required to constitute a public company limited by shares: 2573. 7. Subscribed share capital means number of shares applied for by the public, number of shares allotted by the directors, number of shares issued by the company, none of these. Number of shares allotted by the directors. The difference between standard cost and actual cost is known as loss, profit, variance, none of these. Variance. Verification of entries in the financial books with the help of documentary evidences is called as routine checking, vouching, internal check, none of these. Vouching. The verification of the correctness of cost accounts and of the adherence to the cost accounting plan is known as statutory audit, proprietary audit, cost audit, efficiency audit. Cost audit. Interest on drawings is expenditure for the business, gain for the business, asset for the business, liability for the business. Gain for the business.